In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly to check AI-generated content for plagiarism. Grammarly is a great tool for writing and editing, and it also has a feature that helps you check if your content is original. This is especially useful if you are using AI to create articles, essays, or scripts. First, open your web browser and go to the Grammarly website. Log into your account. If you don't have one, create a new account first. Once you are logged in, open your AI-generated text in Google Docs. In Google Docs, look for the Grammarly icon on the right side of the screen. Click on it to open Grammarly. After Grammarly opens, scroll down a little to see all the options. Here, you will find an option called Check for Plagiarism and AI Text. Click on it. Grammarly will start scanning your document. It checks for copied content and also highlights parts that may look like AI-written text. This process may take a few seconds depending on how long your document is. When the check is complete, Grammarly will show a report. It will highlight any parts that may be plagiarized or AI-generated. Now you can review these sections and make changes to ensure your content is unique and clean. And that's it. That's how you use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. If you found this video helpful, share it with others and subscribe for more useful tutorials.